Hey guys, what's up? So today I'll be showing you to make a cartoon animation on your iPhone and Android, guys. Saw this link down in the description for iPhone users. I guess for Android users, go to Play Store and then search up Adobe Illustrator Draw or just Adobe Draw and it should come up. So you just want to download this app and then you want to tap on open. So once you guys open up the app after you guys download it, you guys will need to sign up or make an account. So make your account and then you guys will be here. So you guys want to go to create a photo. So we're going to go to the plus on the bottom, and we could just do, you can do whatever one you want. I'm just going to do, I guess, a square. And then let's cover the basics. So, all right, let's go through this, exit, and we can add our photo on my iPhone. All right, so I clicked on my photo, and this is the photo I'm using, guys. So it's really simple. You could just crop it, I guess, like that. I'm just going to leave it. Done. And now you could basically go over to the marker and you could do size, and guys, I would do 0.5, and we can actually draw a layer so when you guys see zoom in, and what you guys can do is actually, and you can change the color of it, so you can leave it to black or whatever you guys want. So done. So what you guys want to do is different colors you can use, but all you guys want to do is you guys want to zoom in, so we get rid of that. There we go. So now we just want to trace our whole face. This is my face. It's pretty ugly. Trace the whole face, guys. Marker, so a little bigger than 0.5. So we can go to, let's go to 1.5, and we're gonna get rid of that. And now let's try again. And we're just gonna basically trace these, do the eyebrows, and it's not gonna look that good, guys, because I'm just trying to do as fast as I can. But if you want to make it look better, obviously you're gonna take more time into it, and just basically when it's done, it's gonna look a lot more nicer. And you could do different all right, so you could change your brush here and do different thickness. So like I said, guys, I have it on 0. I have it 1.5. You can do 3 or something, and you can change the brush and just see how it looks. So I want it like that. Now we're going to get rid of it, and we're going to hold this, and we keep, I guess, do this, and we're gonna go for this brush right here. Type into it, and we actually change the color of it. So let's just go, now we do black, but all right, black, done. Arrows top right, and now we could trace it. So that is very big but very fast. It's obviously too thick, but you guys get the point. Oh my god, what am I doing? I look like I have so much mascara or makeup on. But guys, you get the point. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and just have fun with this. Take your time, and it's going to look, obviously, a lot better than mine. I mean, you could just rush do it, and it's going to look better than mine. This is terrible. See you guys in the next one. Peace.